khublei shibun fibro session part kajing petip namta karzol kabdai jong ke MPSC Mekila Public Service Commission ke bapen mi menta kasngi khasan trik me arjar san jong ke post. The result overview to the post of Junior Accounts Assistant under the administrative control of the Director of Account and Treasuries Meghalaya September 2023 conducted by the Commission on 6-7-8 May 2025 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate recommended by the Commission in order of merit are as follow. Shri Welban Kharwan Lang on reserve, Niau Rang Hamei Suyam on reserve, Frankie Lamare on reserve, Ban Risuk Suting on reserve, Biku W. Sangma on reserve, Chenam Srang Ke Marak Garo, Bayo E. Shisha Sarubai, Khasijantia, Skembolang Sotun Khasijantia, Alphonse Bimara Garo, Mortician Malngyang Khasijantia, Samuel Nathan Lingdo Khasijantia, Don Boklang Lingdo Khasijantia, Mercy Dora Suchang Khasijantia, Dari Bha Biang Swer Khasijantia, Yok Boklang Hongjo Khasijantia, Rafael Shaun Kharluki Khasijantia, Andrew Bimara Garo, Jonathan Shangpliang Khasijantia, and Luther Bud M. Sangma Garo, and 20 Richmond Remdor Jarwa Khasijantia, Dimrim CH Mara Garo, Kishan Kumar Rava OSTSC, Dewa Chanki Lamare Khasijantia, Tangkim Lu Momin Garo, Wembil M. Marak, Silkam Di Sangma, Dom Teselbat Di Shira, Asaras and Marak, Jaksram Gabil Momin, and Salgira K. Sangma from Garo category. The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointing authority is certified after such inquiry. Okay. The recommendation will remain valid for 1 year from the date of the notification. The congratulations namta kini Baroh live Ngut kibala long successful namta kini post JAA. The thank you jing betip khublei shibun.